Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of Fireflies.ai versus Otter.ai. Both are AI-powered meeting assistants that help you capture, transcribe, and summarize conversations. I'll walk you through everything you need to know and we'll take an in-depth look at the main features, the pricing, and how they compare on the level of pros and cons. By the end, you should be able to know which is the best AI meeting note apps in 2025. Let's get started. Fireflies.ai is more than just a transcription tool. It positions itself as a full AI meeting assistant. It can automatically join your meetings on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. It can record the audio, transcribe it, summarize the key points, identify action items, and even organize all that information in a way that integrates smoothly with your workflow. Fireflies is built with teams in mind. It's designed to improve productivity, collaboration, and knowledge sharing across organizations. In fact, many businesses use it because it connects directly with their CRMs, project management tools, and communication platforms, making meetings not just easier to record, but also actionable afterward. Now, on the other hand, there's Otter.ai. This takes a slightly different approach. Otter started out as a transcription-focused tool and has grown into a very popular choice for students, educators, journalists, and professionals who simply want accurate, real-time transcription of their conversations. Over the years, Otter has added more AI features like meeting summaries, searchable transcripts, speaker identification, and even AI chats. But compared to Fireflies, Otter is still more streamlined and user-friendly for those who primarily want clean transcriptions and summaries without necessarily connecting them to a full business workflow. Now let's talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Fireflies. Automatic meeting attendance across all major platforms. You can join calls without you lifting a finger. Accurate transcriptions. It can transcribe conversations with the ability to highlight keywords, tag speakers, and even track topics. AI-powered meeting summaries that identify action items, next steps, and important highlights. And there's advanced integration with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, Asana, Trello, and Google Drive. That means your meeting notes don't just sit in one place, they actually flow into your day-to-day tools. There's team collaboration features like shared workspaces, shareable past transcripts, and analytics that help managers understand how meetings are being run. There's strong security, including compliance with data protection standards, so businesses can trust it with sensitive conversations. How about the features of Otter.ai? There's real-time transcription during meetings, which is particularly handy for accessibility or for people who prefer reading along as the conversation happens. There's speaker identification and tagging, so you can easily tell who said what. Summaries that capture the main points of meetings without needing to reread the entire transcript. The ability to search through past conversations, highlight text, and even assign action items manually. And there's also multi-language support because Otter can transcribe not just English but also languages like Spanish and French, which makes it appealing to international users. And there's a clean mobile app that works seamlessly on both iOS and Android, and this gives you the ability to record and transcribe conversations on the go. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? First, Fireflies. There's a free plan for individuals that are just starting out. It is forever free, although limited in some areas, but it is good for beginners. There's a pro plan at $10 per seat per month. And there's the business plan, which is the most popular at $19 per seat per month, and an enterprise plan for large-scale enterprises at $39 per seat per month when built annually. And the pricing for Otter also has a basic plan which is free to get started, although limited in some areas, but it's still good for starters. The Pro plan at $8.33 per user per month, the business plan at $20 per user per month, and the enterprise plan where you can custom the pricing based on what your team will need it for. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Fireflies, it is highly automated. Meetings are recorded and summarized without manual efforts. There are deep integrations with business tools, and that makes it excellent for teams. There's enterprise-grade security for industries that require compliance. And there are very comprehensive features that make it more than just a transcription tool. And the pros of using Otter.ai: it has a very friendly user interface and it's easy for beginners. There's strong real-time transcription with live captions during the meetings, and the pricing is more affordable. How about the cons of both? For Fireflies, it can feel overwhelming at first because of how many features it packs in, and the pricing is more on the higher side compared to Otter. And the cons of Otter? There are limited automation and fewer integrations compared to Fireflies, and team collaboration features are not as advanced. So after looking at both tools in details, which one is the best AI meeting notes app in 2025? Well, if you're part of a business that runs multiple meetings daily, where tasks, follow-ups, and CRM entries need to flow seamlessly, then Fireflies is the clear winner, because it's not just about taking notes, it's about connecting meetings to actions and making sure nothing falls through the cracks. However, if you are a student, a researcher, a journalist, or even a professional who just needs reliable transcripts and simple summaries without the extra bells and whistles, then Otter.ai may actually be the better fit, because it's easy to use, it's affordable, and does exactly what most individuals need without complicating things. At the end of the day, well, both are fantastic tools. It really comes down to your workflow. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Fathom and MeetGeek. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.